dear students. Welcome back to online session Geography Unit 5 Hazards. Okay. Hazards. What is hazards? It is an event which can affect the living and non-living things of Earth. Okay. Just two types: human-made hazards and naturally occurring hazards. Okay. Generally, hazards are defined as thing, person, event, or a factor that poses a threat to people, structures, or economic assets and which may cause of disaster. Okay. Generally, natural hazards, disasters, and a catastrophe. Natural process. First one, natural hazards. Natural processes are event that is potential threat to human life and property. Disaster, hazardous event that occurs over a limited time span, a defined area and causes a great damage. Catastrophe, massive disasters called a catastrophe. Okay, this significant expenditures of money and a long time of recovery. Very, very dangerous when the catastrophe. Okay. Catastrophe, massive disaster that requires significant expenditure of money and a long time for a recovery. Right? Next one, types of hazards. Based on their causes of occurrence. Second one, based on the origin. Natural hazards, human-made hazards, socio-natural hazards. Based on their origin, atmospheric hazards, geologic seismic hazards, hydrologic hazards, volcanic hazards, biological hazards, technological hazards, human-induced hazards. Okay, two types of hazards. What are they? Based on their causes of occurrence, then based on their origin. Okay. First one, natural hazards, human-made hazards, and socio-natural hazards. They are based on the causes of occurrence. Okay. First one, natural hazards. These are the result of natural process and man has no role to play in such hazards. Example, earthquake, floods, cyclonic storms, droughts, landslides. Second one, human-made hazards. These are caused by the undesirable activities of human. It can be the result of an accident such as an industrial chemical leak or oil spill or an international act. Okay. Second one, based on their origin. First one, atmospheric hazards. Atmospheric hazards, tropical storms, thunderstorms, lightning, tornadoes, avalanches, heat waves, fog and forest fire. Second one, geological seismic hazards, earthquakes, tsunami, landslides. Third one, hydrologic hazards, floods, droughts, coastal erosion and storm surges. Fifth one, environmental hazards, pollutions of air, water and soil. Okay. Next one, biological hazards. Biological hazards, chickenpox, smallpox, AIDS and killer bees. Right? Seventh one, technological hazards. Hazardous material, incidents, fires, infrastructures, failures. Okay. Eighth one, human-made induced hazards. Terrorism, mass shooting, war, transportation, accidents and civil disorder. Okay, the human-induced hazards. Next one, major hazards in India. Earthquakes. Earthquake is a violent tremor in the earth's crust, sending out the series of shock waves in all directions from the place of origin. Okay, seismic zone, level of risk. Zone 4, Zone 3, Zone 2, zone, okay. Zone second, low. Zone 3, moderate. Zone 4, high. Zone 5, very high. Okay, earthquake wave zone measurement. Okay, seismic zones of India. Next one, flood. The part of the earth's surface gets submerged. Common cause heavy rainfall, large waves in seas. Flood. Okay? Flood is an event in which a part of the earth's surface gets inundated. Heavy rainfall and large waves in seas are common causes of flood. Okay? The major causes of floods are meteorological factors and physical factors and human factors. Meteorological factors, heavy rainfall, tropical cyclones, cloudburst. Physical factors, large catchments area, inadequate drainage arrangements. Human factors, deforestation, siltations, faulty agricultural practices, faulty irrigation practices, collapse of dams. Okay, cyclonic storms. Next topic, cyclonic storms. A cyclonic storm is a strong wind circulating around a low pressure area in the atmosphere. It rotates in anti-clock direction in the northern hemisphere and clockwise in the southern hemisphere. Okay, tropical cyclones are characterized by destructive winds, storm surges and exceptional level of rainfall. Okay, then recap of the lesson. Hazards. Thing, person, event or factor that assess threat to people, structural or economic assets which may cause disaster. Natural hazards, man-made hazards, socio-natural hazards. Okay. Earthquake example, natural hazards, earthquake, flood. Human-made hazards,